Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Maga. I'm based here in the United Kingdom in London, and this is my channel, the Punjabi Home Chef. On this channel I try to specialize in all home style cooking. We don't do no restaurant stuff here, all home style, how we as Indians cook at home. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please try to do that as soon as you possibly can. And if you do like my videos, please comment, like, share and all the rest of it. Anyway, so today's recipe is going to be Aloo Gobi. How we make Aloo Gobi is going to be a very simple recipe, how we make it at home. So basically I have got one cauliflower and I've got a few potatoes here. These you can adjust how many you want, but I think one cauliflower and about 2.5-3 potatoes here, small ones. Oh, there we go, small ones is more than enough, that kind of ratio. So I'm going to get this all chopped up and then we'll go through the ingredients with you. Let's get this chopped up then. Okay, there we go. We have everything here to make our cauliflower and potatoes, which is known as Aloo Gobi. I've got the potatoes here, I've got the gobi, the cauliflower chopped up, not into two small pieces, around about that size. There, I've got 3 onions sliced, whole cumin, salt, turmeric, kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, and we've got coriander powder there. And we're going to be needing some oil and also some ghee. Got tomato and a chilli in there as well. Okay, here I've got my pan heating up on a medium heat. So the first thing to go in here will be the oil. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of oil, and then 1 tablespoon of ghee. And those in there. We're going to let that heat, and once that's heated up, first thing we're going to put in there is the cumin. So give that about a minute or two, let that heat. Okay, it's been about a minute. Our oil should be hot enough now. So the first ingredient to go in there is 1 teaspoon of whole cumin. That goes in there. Cook that for about 30 seconds. Straight away in goes the onion, the 3 small onions finely sliced. Right, as usual, what we're going to do is cook these onions until golden brown. Okay, it has been around 10-12 minutes since we put the onions in here. So the onions just now giving off a nice light golden color. This is what we need. We don't want to make these any darker than this. Right, so as I said, it's been about 10-12 minutes. Now the next thing to go in here, which I did forget to show you guys earlier on, is 2 teaspoons of ginger and 2 teaspoons of garlic. I do apologize, I forgot to show you this earlier. So that's 2 teaspoons of ginger and 2 teaspoons of garlic. That goes in there first. We're going to cook this for around a minute. Okay, so after about a minute, we are going to put in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of kashmiri chilli, cook that out for about 30 seconds. Next, go in our potatoes. That's the 3 or 2 medium and 1 very small potato. That goes in there. Straight away we're going to put in 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, then the 1 tomato which is finely chopped, and at the same time the 2 chillies which I've chopped up. Alright, give this a nice mix. Okay, what we're going to do now is turn the heat down a little bit, and we're going to cover this. I'm going to come back to this in about 5 minutes time. Okay, it's been about 5 or 6 minutes since we put the potatoes in here. Okay, ooh, yes, this is what we're looking at. So basically all we're going to do is cook these potatoes until half cooked. So when they're about 50% cooked, then we're going to add in our cauliflower. Right, again, lid on, cook for further 5 minutes, and I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, it's been a further 5 minutes. Right, let's see what's happening here. Right. Now, the next ingredient to go in there is basically the main ingredient, which is a gobi, the cauliflower. That's 1 whole cauliflower, all out in there. Give that a good mix, coating it well with all the masalas in there. Again, all we're going to do now is cover this. We're going to cook this until it's cooked, but every 2 to 3 minutes we're going to come back and stir it. So cover it, every 2 to 3 minutes come back and stirring it until it's cooked. Okay guys, it has been about 15 minutes since I put the cauliflower in there, and every 2 to 3 minutes I have been coming back and mixing it. So let's see what it looks like now. There we are. This is actually cooked now. All you need to do is try one of the potatoes. If that breaks, then yep, very easily. This is actually cooked. I put no water in there whatsoever, just been cooking with its own steam. So now, the last couple of ingredients to go in there is half a teaspoon of kasuri methi. Again, rub that in, put that in there, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Give that a mix. And then last, not the least, coriander. So a nice handful of freshly chopped coriander. Well, what we're going to do now is plate this up. I'm going to show it to you what it looks like on a plate. And here we have it guys, aloo gobi. Okay guys, there we have it, aloo gobi, cauliflower potatoes, home style. This is how we make it at home. So guys, please, if you like what you see, please do like, share and comment, and if you have not yet subscribed, please try to subscribe as soon as you possibly can. And thank you very much for watching.